In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Google Drive upload date using the best new method for 2025. We'll navigate this process step by step, so whether you're a Google Drive newbie or a seasoned user, you'll be able to follow along smoothly. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Drive website by typing in drive.google.com in the address bar. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If not, just click the Sign In button on the top right-hand corner of the page and enter your login details. You'll need this access to make any changes to files stored within Google Drive. Once you're logged in, go to the file whose upload date you want to change. Use the search bar at the top to locate it easily, especially if your drive is cluttered with numerous files. Navigate to your file and click to open it or access the file's location directly from your drive's main interface. Now let's talk about changing the upload date. Unfortunately, Google Drive doesn't provide a direct built-in feature to change the actual upload date of a file. However, there's a workaround. Simply re-upload the file. To do this, you'll need to download the file to your device first. Right-click on the file and select the Download option from the drop-down menu. Your file will then download to your designated folder, often the Downloads folder on your computer. After downloading the file, the next step is straightforward. You'll re-upload it to Google Drive. Head back to your Google Drive browser tab. Click on the New button located on the top left of the page. In the drop-down menu, select File Upload. Navigate to the location on your computer where the file was downloaded. Click on it and then open it to start the upload process. Once uploaded, your file will regain the status of a newly added file in Google Drive, hence showing a new upload date. You can double-check this by looking at the file details. Right-click on the freshly uploaded file and select View Details from the menu. The information panel on the right side of the screen will display the updated upload date. Remember, this method essentially creates a duplicate file with a new upload date. So if you want to replace the old file, you should delete the original file after confirming the new upload's success. This way, your drive remains organized without redundant copies of the same file. And there you have it. A simple workaround to change the upload date of a file in Google Drive. This method comes in handy when you need to manage your file organization based on the most recent updates. Don't forget to give this video a like if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your Google Drive experience. Thanks for watching and see you next time.